We have here the 46cm Webb self-drive machine with a push button start. Yes, a push button start on a lawnmower. The features, the quality of Webb we have here, but affordable. A push button start lawnmower that really is affordable. On the Webb 46 push button start, we have a 173cc engine, a bigger engine for this luxurious lawnmower. What we have on this machine is this battery that is going to power the push start. But what is so wonderful is the push of that button starting the machine for you is an absolute joy. On this 46cm machine, we have this solid steel blade, this upturn end to the blade here, causing this vortex under the deck there, pushing that grass right to the back of the box, ensuring you collect every blade of grass. Height adjustment on our Webb 46 is with this one lever, going into one of any of the 7 notches there, 25mm up to 75, the shortest to the longest grass, all with that one simple movement of that handle. The mulching feature on your Webb 46 is a real winner. Insert the mulching plug that is supplied, that blocks off the outlet, cutting the grass time and time again, making it so fine that you've no need to collect, saving up to 30% of the time of grass cutting. In the summer months there's a particular benefit putting nutrients back into the lawn. Grass collection on our Webb is made absolutely so much better by this mesh bag. The mesh bag letting the air through, not the grass, collecting every blade of grass from this machine. 55 litres collection on this 46cm machine also, and fitting the machine so simple and so easy. Another feature on our Webb 46cm is the side discharge, pulling the small lever, opening the side discharge, putting your deflector into place. That enables you to cut really long grass. Yes, long grass you thought you could never cut, you can with this Webb 46. Making the machine easier to store and transport, we have this off-centre lever enabling you to fold the handle so easily. We've put the bumper bar here to save you damaging the front of the machine against the walls, against the trees. Again, another feature on our Webb 46 push button start. Another feature on this Webb lawnmower is a drinks holder, so you can stay hydrated whilst you're lawn mowing.